In this lecture, we consider main question that linking with legitimately documents of urban planning in Europe countries. One of the ways to change the situation in the improvement of tools for regulating the use of city space, the problem of effective regulation and balanced development of urban space is solved by studying the special features of cities and planning functional zoning. The principles of model functional zoning of urban space were formulated in 1933 at the Fourth Congress of Modern Architecture in Athens. The result of this Congress was the proclamation of Charter of Athens. This document was played a huge role in the formulation of modern urban studies. In particular, definition was developed to make it likely to describe the social and economic problems of the city and the need for ways to solve them. The charter consists of two parts. The first part of the declaration was recording the factors of urban development and the main problems. The second part of the declaration included ways to solve urban problems where density was taken as the main characteristic of the development of the city and settlement. In Europe, there is no unified system of territory planning. The legal foundation of planning in different countries have gone their own specific links with common legal traditionals, planning culture, and development of self-government, and model and taking into account the principle and directives of Europe countries' politic. The set of European documents on special planning consists of the following documents. The first documents sharpened for sustainable development of Europe cities, with what developed in 1994. The social need for the transition to the concept has shown the importance of the optimal landscape organization of the city that is attracted to be use of landscape design to improve the environmental and aesthetic qualities of the environment. The second document is Europe's Special Development Perspectives, which was developed in 1999. This document provides for the development of the holistic and balance of urban system and partnerships between urban and rural areas, and creation of new relations between the city and the countrysides. The next documents is Leipzig sharpening for sustainable cities in Europe, which was developed in 2007. This document showed two main goals and objectives of integrated urban development, namely the creation of hard quality public space, thinking housing politic, the renovation, impoverish areas in the city, the development of public transport, the development of programs for the implementation of integrated urban politics. And last documents is Europe Urban Charters, was development in 2008. These documents increases in the role of the public in the conditional of sustainable urban development. These documents document is rules of urban aesthetic of behavior in the cities, and recommendation based on the common experience of Europe city.